Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download apps on Google TV using the code. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we'll be using the code to install apps on Google TV. Let's get started. Now for this tutorial, we're going to be using the download application. So if you don't have the download application, check on the channel for other links or videos to other apps to other videos I've shown you how to download this application with different methods. So when you have the application downloaded and installed, launch it, open the application, and you find this top bar right here. So the first is the sandwich bar on the top. Second, you find the downloader logo. The next is a dialog box where you have click here to enter URL, shortcodes or short term. You could actually go there and type in the shortcode. There's this pound sign towards the right of that top bar. If you click on it, you will find a bar especially dedicated to numeric shortcodes. So just type in the code. For an example, I'll use the 10381. This is going to just be an example. The application behind this code is the Unlinked application. So just search any code you wish and give it 5 seconds to load up. The code doesn't really matter. I'm using this as an example. There are a lot of codes you could use. Check out the videos I have on this channel. You'll see a video saying 50 codes. There are other videos with more codes. Scan through the channel and find codes that you're interested in. And right there you see easy and smooth. The process is easy. The app is downloaded. You just click on install button and bam, you have the app ready to go. So if you click on open, you launch the application, you can start using it immediately. Or click on done and exit. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.